I know somebody is going to be ready to nail me to the cross. And family, just pump your brakes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you just so happen to be new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. We have a whole lot of fun. Around, up, and through these parts. Also, give this video a big, gigantic thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. It only takes 2 seconds. Hit the thumbs up button. Give this video a big, gigantic thumbs up if you just so happen to enjoy watching my video. I just had to pop in here and show my face to y'all real quick. Your girl I'm still here, okay? I'm still alive and well and all of that and stuff, okay? Shout out to Mr. Bugatti over there on Instagram. I wonder if Mr. Bugatti is still on Instagram. Y'all might know who Mr. Bugatti is. But anyway, bam, I had to just pop in here really quickly. Your girl been trying to get her life together and all that type of stuff. Y'all know I've been trying to get my life together for I don't know how long, y'all. It is what it is, okay? The Lord is working on you, girl. But anyway, family, if you are looking for a job, especially in this family, your president, okay, y'all's president, that man around here is just messing up every stuff, okay, messing up everything, okay? If you are a person out there and you are without work, family, you need to come over there, okay, to the Facebook and join my work at home group over there on Facebook, family. Look, I keep plugging that Facebook group because, family, if y'all come over there and y'all just see the people that are getting hired, I mean, people who literally thought that they would never find a work at home job, those people are over there landing gigs every single day, family. Get your whole life this 2019. Get everything that is yours, okay? Get everything that belongs to you this year. And that means, you know, if it's just a part-time gig, if you just want to quit your whole job and strictly work from home, let me just tell you, it is more than possible, okay? It is more than possible. If you don't have a Facebook page, that's totally fine. I just want people to know that I do not accept brand new Facebook pages over there in the group because there are some people that come over there and, girl, they're just trying to scam and scheme, okay? They're just trying to see who's in there vulnerable looking for work, and they just want to, you know, shoot them some scams. And we don't do that, okay? So if you have a new Facebook page, there is no hard feelings. I just don't accept brand new Facebook pages. And I also don't accept anyone who doesn't have a profile picture, okay? Doesn't have a profile picture. I'm sorry, you need to have a profile picture, and your page needs to be, you know, you need to have a friend or two on there, okay? If you're looking for a work at home gig, you need to come over there and get your whole life, okay? But I wanted to come in here and give you guys an update, family. I got a whole lot going on, okay? Your girl has been going here, there, and everywhere. I have been tending to the juice man. Y'all know the juice man. He is, well, if you've been following me on Facebook, you already know. I don't really want to put all of that on the Facebooks, but Juice Man he's doing okay. But, you know, I've been tending to him. We've been traveling a little bit because I want him to experience the world with me. We went to Destin last week. We're going to New Orleans next month. Then we're going to, March, we're going to New York. April, we're going to Atlanta. May, we're going to, well, I'm going to Miami. I don't think Juice Man is going to Miami with me because I think I'm going to meet up with my team in Miami. June, I'm not sure yet. My sister's going on a cruise. I'm thinking about going to the Bahamas with them. I'm not really sure yet because they're leaving out of a port in Florida. So I'm not really sure about that one yet. I wanted to do a last minute cruise, but I kind of wanted to leave out of either New Orleans or Mobile. So I'm not sure. In Vegas, for my birthday, the turn up is going to be real in Vegas in July. Super excited about that. I'm turning 34 July, so I'm excited about that. And also, your girl is back on the keto kick. I know somebody is going to be ready to nail me to the cross. And family, just pump your brakes, okay? Pump your brakes. We all struggle, okay? We all struggle. And especially when you're dealing with stressful situations. Not that it's any excuse. And I definitely need to find better ways to manage my stress. Other than, I mean, I don't turn to food for stress, but when I'm in a stressful situation, I just eat whatever, okay? Not necessarily even bad things. I just eat whatever, and I don't be mindful of what I'm eating. So I definitely need to seek some kind of counsel for that. But I'm back on the keto kick, and I've just been in prayer about this whole situation that the Lord keeps me keeps me on a steady pace, keeps me accountable, keeps me motivated, and keep my mind just focused on that goal. So I'm excited about this, you guys. This is day 2 of my keto reboot. So I'm really excited about that. And also, I know some of y'all are probably gonna be like, what? Yes, I'm also thinking about doing some keto cookbangs and mukbangs where I actually set up a little setup in my office up here, because I do have a lot of ventilation up in here. But there is a smoke detector right there, because I could do my mukbangs in my kitchen area, but my kitchen area is not very big. But I'm thinking about doing some keto mukbangs / cookbangs where I just sit here and I chit chat and talk with y'all. I know some people don't like that. And if you don't like those types of videos, you could just easily just bypass those, which will be perfectly fine. I have no hard feelings at all. I only want people to watch the videos that they deemed to be either entertaining, educational, or it can help you make some money or something like that, you guys. I definitely don't want anybody to watch any of my videos if it does not seem like something that you are interested in watching. Absolutely not. That's pretty much it, y'all. But go over there to Facebook. All of these links will be in the description box down below. And also go over and check out my blog and get in on some of those working home gigs that are hiring right now, because like I said, some of you guys might not have Facebook, which is totally fine. Just make sure that you bookmark my blog, because I update it every single morning. I try to update it around between 7:30 and 8 every day. If I don't do it at 7:30, 8, it might be 9, 10. Just check it every day, okay? Refresh, check it every day. And also, there have been people who have been doing some side gigs over there. Some people aren't necessarily looking for full-time or even part-time jobs. Some of them just want to do like little side hustles and things. So there have been a lot of people who've been getting on with apping. User testing. This one girl posted some payment proof in the group the other day about user testing. User testing is just a website that pays you $10 to test the functionality of their website. Okay? Pretty much all you'll be doing, just say for instance, you're going to the Macy's website. Macy's pays this company to actually, hire independent contractors or freelancers to basically do tests on their website to make sure that you're able to, view things, and maybe you're able to click on them and there's not any errors or anything popping up. It's just different little simple tasks like that. And they pay you $10 for each one of those tests that you do. It's super easy work, you guys. But again, come over and join the Facebook group if you're not already in there, or follow my work at home blog. And also, if you are interested in those keto cookbang / mukbang situations, I know everybody ain't into people eating, and I get it, got it good. But I'm a person who I am addicted to mukbangs, especially when I'm dieting. It sounds really, really weird that people like to see folks eat. Juice Man thought it was weird until he started watching the mukbangs, and he was like, why am I entertained by these people sitting here eating and talking to me? I don't understand it, okay? I do not understand why it is entertaining, but I'm thinking about doing that. Maybe, like I said, setting up a little area in here where I actually do the cooking. And, well, it's not going to be no super duper hardcore cooking. I mean, keto is keto, where you have a protein, some vegetable, and, something like that, or something with some fat in it or whatever. So it ain't going to be super. I'm not going to be eating no loads and loads of McDonald's. I'm not going to be eating a whole bunch of Wendy's, although I do like to watch those mukbangs, but that's not what my mukbangs will consist of if I decide to do the mukbangs, okay? I'm only gauging interest right now. Even though some people might not like it, you guys might not like it, but there is an audience on YouTube that will like to see keto cookbangs / mukbangs, or cook and eat along. However you want to do it, or however you want to cut the cake, it is going to be what it's going to be. But again, go over and join the Work at Home group over there on Facebook. And also give your girl, send me some love. You guys, send me some love. Thumb this video up, because like I said, I'm back on my weight loss journey. And I also did the Biggest Loser 25-minute workout this morning, and I did not stop. I haven't worked out in a while, you guys. I'm super proud of myself. So yeah, 2019 is my year. I'm coming back, okay? I'm coming back for everything that people said that I couldn't have, and that's including my health. See you guys later. Peace.